Hey guys, the bike we're checking out today is a 2018 Harley Davidson Sportster 48 Special, and this thing rips. So the good stuff, let's just get straight down to it. Screaming Eagle intake, amazing exhaust, and this thing has the Screaming Eagle tune put on it as well. This bike surprised me, and I loved it. We have these beautiful wheels, these nice taller bars that I love that come on the 48s. They're so comfortable. Even the stock seat is extremely comfortable. This bike really doesn't need anything. All it needs is you to get on it and go. Again, 2018 Harley Davidson 48 Special. Come check it out. We are open 6 days a week for test rides, and you want to test ride this one.